DIY with Sumit. So here are the some requirements, materials. In this we will need a transparent cover, pencils, colors, erasers, scissors and a white sheet. So now we will first start with the white sheet and the transparent cover. We have to trace out the cover. So let's start. Do not forget to trace out these. We will get something like this. So now cut it out with help of a scissor. We will get something like this. Now we have to measure this paper by keeping in this. We have to ensure it that it properly fits inside. You can see that. So take this out properly so that it does not tears, and place this cover aside, and we have to draw now cartoon characters in it. So let's draw first the Doraemon.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways,